What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on this Toyota Camry TRD. We're going to be installing a Disrupt RGB front emblem. So stay tuned. Alright guys, like the hat? I needed something out here for when the sun, bro. It's crazy out here. Since I'm fully mobile, you know, I get a natural skin tan, you know. But yeah, so today we're gonna be installing the RGB front emblem from Toyota, from Disrupt. The Toyota emblem gets replaced. Literally, this is the emblem, and this is the acrylic one. This is a pretty cool one. It's different. This is honeycomb. But basically I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. I already started and I realized, oh, I should make this video to help you guys out. So I'm gonna do a little back trace and I'll show you how it's done. So basically you start off by taking off the cover, don't lose the pins, and then this will be back here behind the emblem. You unplug it. Be careful with this. This is a sensor. There's a radar sensor, whatever it is. See the plug? Take that plug, put it to the side, and then it has two big bolts. One right here and one right here. They're 10 millimeters, so you take them off, and then you take a screw off the top. Yeah, this is the top. Oh, let me see. Yeah, there's a screw at the top right here. You take it off, and this comes off. Put it to the side. Just be careful of it. And then you come, and behind the emblem, there's two more screws. One there, one there. This pops out with the little clips in the bottom. Make sure you don't break them. You won't be needing that again. And then basically you come over here. What I did before is I tested before. Sorry about that. So yeah, so then I tested it out. Sorry about the background noise, because I have I'm at a construction site basically. But basically I plug it up, these two wires together, and this wire goes into the box. All this is provided by Disrupt, which is awesome. Plug it in one side, the other side it's the power. So it goes here to a fuse tab. I fused it to right here, the second one on this side, which is ignition. And this is the ground, so you put it to the battery, you know, to a bolt that's into the frame, and you should be good. You come around. I'm not sure if you guys are upside down or not. Oh, sorry about that. I had to let the camera go for a second. So basically, you mount it to the back. It should literally go into the wedges, so it should sit perfect with no tape or nothing like that. And it should look exactly like this. And then from there, you run the wire nicely along here. This guy had a wiring from the fog lights all everywhere, so we're gonna tuck that in for him. And then you run the ground. And then let me do that real quick, and I'll show you how we put the acrylic piece on front. All right, like I said, always test out before you put everything back together, so you see it's here working properly. Sorry, there's wind noise. I'm outside. Okay, and then once you do that, you put that LED board. You put the sensor back, mount it up, one screw, two screw, and the screw on top, which I haven't. Oh, it's there, which I haven't put on. But that screw goes on. The plug will go back in here. And then the front, make sure you clean this area all around here, because basically, like this. So basically this will go. Oh wow, that looks really nice. So right now it's not glued on. It has 3M tape. I would say use adhesive promoter. But just with this 3M tape, it really worked good before on the other one I'd done. So then that looks really nice, especially the hex on the back. That looks really nice. That looks really cool. So yeah, so take off the 3M, pop it in there, you should be good. Oh yeah, that looks nice. So you see, once we did that, we ran the wire this way. This is gonna be under the black stuff, that black part here. You ran it this way, fuse to ignition, and the ground I put it there, and it works perfect. Whoa. So it turns on with ignition, but you have an app that you could get from the little box right here, and you could turn on and off the emblem during the day, because during the day you can't really, there's no point, but at night it should shine bright. All right, for the rear emblem, you just have to pry it from the sides and then take off the glue and it'll come off. Yes, look, 1, 2 pins that are on the deck lid. And then Disrupt also has specialty rear emblems. The client wanted this one specifically. He made it himself. It has pearls. I don't know if you could actually catch it, but the lettering also has pearls. And we put adhesive promoter, and wow, it's not focusing. There you go. And it looks great. But yeah, once you take off the emblem, just make sure you take off the glue and put this one on. Shout out to Disrupt. Their products came in clutch. They're very easy to work with. It brings everything in the box. I want to give a huge shout out to the Camry community. I sold my car a couple months ago, and I'm still providing videos for you guys as long as I get them from clients, since I don't have a Camry to work on. But Disrupt has really good emblems, very good quality, and they're very customizable. Oh, I said that right. Tell me how that looks good. It looks so good. And yeah, guys, I'm making more videos of other cars now. I have a new project car for the company. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. You follow our IG. It's a Lexus, so there you go. And look at the rear emblem. I guess the client goes by Bones. It looks really, really cool, and it has a pearl. You can't see it by the camera. The pearl from the actual paint is on the lettering, so that's pretty cool. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. I'll put down the link down below for Disrupt, so you can order these emblems. Follow us on IG for a lot of other projects. Stay tuned. Thank you.